Okay, so Toyota MMT Semi-Automatic. This diesel, but it's no matter. What happens? First gear. Red light is on. All lamps are light on. ABS, check engine. Where is the second gear? It's no second gear. Why? Because problem. I don't know. Okay, I will show what the problem. So this is the ABS. One sensor, second, third, fourth, front and rear. Let's drive. So working only one, rear left, another not working. And the car take vehicle speed not from rear sensors, it take from front sensors. So we need that even one should working, and then car will change the gear. It will see the vehicle speed. By rear it not see. So we need better to two, but only one it's enough. First need to repair ABS.